So here's how to connect your OnePlus Buds 4 to any smart TV. Now, the first thing you want to do is open up the lid of the earbuds. And of course, the earbuds have to be inside the case. And then you want to put this in Bluetooth pairing mode. And to do that, just long press on this button on the side until that LED light starts blinking white rapidly. Okay, so just press and hold like that. So when it's blinking white like that, it means the earbuds are in pairing mode. So now you want to go to the Bluetooth settings of your smart TV. It's usually different for different brands. For me, since I'm using Samsung, I'll just go to all settings and then to connections and then to Bluetooth devices. And then under available devices, you can see the TV is scanning. So I'm going to look for my OnePlus Buds 4. You can see they've been detected. So I'll click on them to connect and then confirm I want to pair and connect. It's going to take a while. And now you can see my OnePlus Buds 4 are now connected. And now I can take them out of the case, put them in my ears and use them to listen to whatever I'm listening to on the TV, whether it's YouTube or Netflix, whatever it is. All right. Thanks for watching and good luck.